we see obviously Bridget join dating apps, the world of dating apps in this movie. So in that vein, may I ask you whether, with your help, please, gents, would you swipe right or left? We're going to start with an easy one, okay? Swipe right or left. Can you see this far away?
Go.
Right? Swipe right, wouldn't you?
Right is good, left is
Right.
bad.
Thank you.
Don't worry, I had to ask our research team as well. So right? Let's go right. Okay, brilliant.
What happens if you swipe right?
Oh,
Oh,
right.
he's so nice.
Yeah.
You said
swipe right.
swipe right is the good thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's so lovely.
Okay,
He's
okay.
a lovely person.
Right for Colin Farrell. Okay, now this guy, a legend in Ireland. Do we know who this guy is?
I'm not immediately familiar.
Okay, this guy is a massive Irish country singer called Daniel O'Donnell.
Okay.
Iconic.
It
Now, that is-
sounds very interesting.
yeah, he absolutely is.
Certainly
Now,
a first date, just to
Sure.
find out what's
just a
going on.
coffee, don't even commit to a meal.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Oh, we were just
Oh,
talking
yeah,
about
we're
it.
just talking about Better
oh, you
Man.
were. Well, then you have to swipe right.
Love the film Better Man.
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, great.
So, yeah. I mean, sorry, I'm doing this for you.
Thank you.
Because every girl needs feedback.
Robbie.
It's better that
You
way.
can come along if you want.
And lastly, that's it. A right. That's definitely a swapper. Guys, the movie is a joy. We're so glad to see Bridget back. And I know viewers are just going to adore it as much as I did. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. You got a lot of dates lined up now as well.